Extending over 2,400 kilometers, the Saudi Railway will link the capital with the north, one of the key infrastructure projects in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The new line will enable the bauxite and phosphate mines to be exploited and allow comfortable travel. Thales, a world leader in mission-critical systems, is an expert in transport solutions. Thales technologies for signaling, communication, train control and supervision are implemented all over the world, on thousands of kilometers of track. Many major projects in the Arab region have been or are being realized by us. Thales works in close cooperation with Saudi Bin Laden Group. The kingdom's largest construction company demonstrates its commitment to the nation every day. For the Saudi Railway project, Thales will deploy the world's most modern train control system, ETCS Level 2. It will reduce the wayside signaling equipment needed and will also optimize the system's lifecycle costs. In ETCS Level 2 systems, communication with the train is via GSM-R, a proven mobile communication network specially adapted for railway applications. Along the track, Balise radio beacons serve as electronic milestones. They provide information on the train's position and direction of travel. This information is transmitted via GSM-R to the radio block center, the heart of the ETCS Level 2 telecommunications system. In return, the train driver receives movement authority by cab signaling. For the Saudi Railway project, around 800 point machines and more than 500 axle counter detection points will be installed. The axle counters report to the interlocking system if the track section is free or occupied. A highly efficient modular electronic interlocking provides route control. It is redundant at all levels and meets the highest safety and availability requirements. Proven technology with over 9 million hours of operation worldwide. Powerful SDH network rings provide data transmission between the signaling installations and the operations control center. That's how Thales controls rail systems safely and reliably, every day, fulfilling the expectations of the mine operator, Ma'aden. Safety has always been our #1 priority. All trains are subject to rigorous inspection, the responsibility of the rolling stock management system. At fixed points, a dynamic scale measures the weight of each wagon, analyzes the condition of the wheels, and detects shifted loads. A dragging equipment detector checks if the couplings of the wagons are correctly secured. The system also checks the temperature of the wheel axles. If overheating is detected, infrared sensors trigger an alarm. Every wagon has an ID number, which is read by a tag reader at the checkpoint. Any critical data can be directly associated with the wagon concerned. All results from rolling stock management are collected at a node and are transferred in real time to the Operations Control Center. The Operations Control Center for the Saudi Railway in Abu Hadria. This is where all information for network control and supervision converges. The heart of the system is the control room. When fully equipped, it could look like this. From here, the operations managers supervise the automatically controlled train movements. Human intervention is reduced to a minimum. A powerful maintenance system allows central monitoring of all in-station and field equipment, as well as signaling modules. The entire telecommunications network is monitored from the Operations Control Center. Security is also centrally controlled. All railway facilities are under the watchful eye of security personnel. Video surveillance, supported by analysis software, automatically detects unusual events. All important buildings are equipped with smoke detectors. Secure areas are specially monitored. Sensors check each area and detect all incidents. Advanced systems from Thales, ensuring safe and secure operation of all railway facilities. Passengers expect travel to be fast and comfortable, but the future holds more than that. Online ticket purchasing and seat reservation, from the office or from home. Automatic ticket validation with easy-to-operate ticket barriers. And convenience on the trains. On board, passenger comfort solutions deliver value-added services such as internet access, providing news or entertainment. Making travel as pleasant as possible. Thales and SBG implement turnkey projects with satisfied customers in over 50 countries around the world. Our involvement in the Saudi Railway project further strengthens our commitment in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Saudi engineers and technicians will play a major role in implementation. With more than 800 people already employed, Thales is deeply committed to its presence in the country. And the Thales University will train Saudi engineers in signaling and telecommunications technology. Know-how from which the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia will benefit. Advanced technologies to build a state-of-the-art safety and control system for the Saudi Railway. Thales and SBG, trusted players in the industry, joining forces to provide competence and commitment.